Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have Redmi Watch 6 and today I'm going to show you how to set up or set the alarm clock on this watch. So let's get started. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, press the crown button to open the menu. Now scroll through this menu and look for the alarm icon, which looks like this. And once you find it, you can tap on it. And as you can see, I don't have any alarms set up yet. And to set up the alarm, you can tap on plus button. And now we can set the time on which the alarm should go off. So let's set it to something like 10:30. Okay, then tap on the check mark to confirm. And once you set up the time, you will be able to customize the alarm a bit further. And you can tap on here on the repeat option and you can select once. So if you select this one, it will go off once and won't repeat. Then we have daily. So this means it will repeat every day. And then you can also select custom, and here you can choose specific days for it to go on or off on. So basically if I choose Monday, Wednesday, and let's say Friday, it will go off only on those days. What else? We can also turn on or off the vibration only mode and then smart wake option. And once you're done, you can tap on the check mark to confirm and the alarm will be added. You can add multiple alarms, you can turn them on or off, you can edit them by tapping on the current alarm and then changing the options if you want. And if you want to, you can also remove the alarms by tapping on one, scrolling down and tapping on the bin icon right here, and the alarm will be gone. And that's how you set up the alarm clock on this watch. So if you found this video any helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.